Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. Let's get started with the first question. Who among the following is the current Attorney General of India, that is AG? See, Attorney General is the Chief Legal Advisor to the Government of India. He advises Government of India on legal matters. So if any case comes against the Government of India, then Government of India seeks advice of this Attorney General how to go ahead in this legal battle. See, Attorney General is appointed by President of India under Article 17(1) of the Constitution, but on the advice of Union Cabinet. So Attorney General is the chief legal advisor to the Government of India. See, current Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal. Option D is the correct answer. See, under Attorney General, the deputy is there. So he is known as Solicitor General of India. So the current Solicitor General of India is Tushar Mehta. So he is the Solicitor General of India. This could also be a question in our exam. Attorney General of India, current Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal. Solicitor General of India is the Deputy of Attorney General, meaning is that under Attorney General works Solicitor General. Okay, so Tushar Mehta is Solicitor General, but here who is the Attorney General? Option D is the correct answer. Next question. In RTGS, what T stands for? See, in our earlier video also we have discussed this RTGS, okay, along with National Electronic Fund Transfer, that is NEFT. See, RTGS stands for Real-Time Gross Settlement. So it is a money transfer system through which money can be sent from one place to another through banking channel. So RTGS is Real-Time Gross Settlement System. So the minimum amount to send through RTGS is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, 2 lakh rupees. There is no maximum limit. So this is RTGS. T stands for is the question. So real-time gross settlement. Option C is the correct answer. That is time. Next question. Who among the following is the current Director General of Press Information Bureau? That is PIB. See, PIB, that is Press Information Bureau, is the nodal agency of Government of India, which works under the PIB works under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So recently, the Principal Director General has been appointed to the Press Information Bureau. So the Press Information Bureau Director General is, current Director General is Jaideep Bhatnagar. Option A is the correct answer. So Press Information Bureau releases the information to the media. Press Information Bureau releases the information of government policies, okay, regarding everything about government. So Press Information Bureau releases the information to media. Next question. Chabahar Port is located in which country? See, Chabahar Port is a very strategic port for India. The port is located in Iran. So now India is using this port to send goods to the country Afghanistan, because Pakistan is denying the road access to India. So this is Chabahar Port. So Chabahar Port is located in the country Iran. So this port was developed by the country India. Okay, so India developed this country. So here option B is the correct answer, that is Iran. Next question, who is GST Council chairperson? See, GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. So now presently there are slabs, that is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These are the slabs under GST. So this was discussed in our earlier videos also. So these GST rates are decided by GST Council. GST Council. So GST Council is headed by Union Finance Minister. Union Finance Minister, and finance ministers of all the states are the members of the GST Council. So GST Council is headed by, is the question, okay, are the chairperson. So Union Finance Minister is the GST Council chairperson, that is option D is the correct answer. Next question, Land Record and Services Index 2021 is topped by which state? See, recently National Council of Applied Economic Research based in New Delhi, a think tank, it is National Council of Applied Economic Research based in New Delhi. The chief of National Council of Applied Economic Research is Nandan Nilekani. Nandan Nilekani. So recently this has released, NCAER has released Land Record and Services Index. So this measures which state or how many states have digitalized their land records. Okay, meaning is that land records informations should be stored digitally. Okay, so not in paper. Okay, information of land should be stored digitally. So here Land Record and Services Index has been released recently by NCAER. So in this index, the first rank was given to the state of Madhya Pradesh. Second rank was given to West Bengal. Okay, so first state becomes important from examination point of view. So option A is the correct answer, that is Madhya Pradesh. There could also be a question, this index, that is Land Record Services Index 2021 was released by, could also be a question in our exam, that is National Council of Applied Economic Research, a private think tank. Okay. Next question, what is the amount of food that was wasted in the year 2019 according to recently released Food Waste Index report? See, this index, Food Waste Index report 2021 has been compiled by United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP, and a UK based non-governmental organization, that is Waste Research Action Program. Waste Research Action Program, this is a UK based NGO. So UNEP along with this NGO has prepared Food Waste Index report 2021. So in this report UNEP has said that in the year 2019 globally 931 million tons of food was wasted. So this receipt is important. Okay, so this is 931 million tons is 17% of food that was produced globally. Okay, so out of the total food produced globally, 17% was wasted. Okay, 17% was wasted. So here, according to Food Waste Index report 2021, 931 million tons of food was wasted. And additional information here is per capita, per person, average per person. Okay, and an average one person wasted 121 kg food. Okay, kg of food per year. This is an average. Okay, 121 kgs of food was wasted by a single person globally. Okay, in India it is 50 kg. In India, per capita, per person wasted food, that is 50 kg per year, that is in the year 2019. So here question is, what was the amount of food that was wasted in the year 2019 according to recently released food waste index report? So option E is the correct answer, that is 931 million tons. So here UNEP was established on 5th June 1972. 5th June 1972. So that is why every year June 1st is celebrated as World Environment Day. World Environment Day. So UNEP is headquartered at Nairobi, which is in Kenya. Inger Anderson, Chief of UNEP. Okay. So earlier UNEP said that 960 million people suffered from hunger in the year 2019. See, this is actually a contradiction. So actually 931 million tons of food was wasted, but 960 million people did not get sufficient food. Okay, so this is very important because it throws light on the present situation of the food. Okay, so option E is the correct answer.